Hello, I'm Bill Clark, Sales Manager at Univest Capital. Here at Univest Capital, we help vendors close sales fast. In this video, we're going to show you how you, the vendor, can overcome 3 common objections to closing a sale. Today is the big day. You're meeting the customer to close the sale. You will march into the customer's office and get the financing documents signed. You will close the sale and start working on the next sale. Sounds easy, right? But not so fast. As you know, all closings have issues. At Univest Capital, we view ourselves more as a marketing and sales company than a commercial finance company. It is our mission to help our vendor partners close sales efficiently and quickly. We will walk you through 3 very common sales objections that may prevent you from closing that coveted sale. We will provide tips and strategies to help you isolate and overcome the objection. It is likely you have experienced one or all of these on a phone call or meeting with a truly interested potential customer. The rookie or weak salesperson will hit the panic button when faced with these objections. The veteran salesperson will overcome the objection. Univest Capital will help you isolate the objection and overcome it. So, let's deal with pricing first.
I'm here to get all the financing documents signed for your new copier and complete the order. You only need to sign in a couple places, and I'll be able to schedule delivery of your copier ASAP.
You know, I've been thinking about the monthly lease payment. I think the payment is too high. I deserve a lower payment.
Wow, Mr. Big just threw you a curveball. What do you do? Why jump to this? You and your company make less profit. You gave Mr. Big a fair value for the copier. There are better options. Again, why lower your lease payment? The sale amount and margin will be smaller.
Mr. Big, I understand. We all want the best deal. Let me ask you a question. Other than the amount of the monthly payment, are you happy with the copier and accessories that I presented?
Yes, I think the new copier will help us increase efficiencies in the office.
Great. I can lower your monthly payment from $500 a month to $480 a month. The only difference in the contract is the term. The lease term will increase from 36 months to 38 months.
Okay, where do I sign? I'd like to get the new copier and training as soon as possible.
Okay, this time the salesman increased the lease term to lower the monthly payment. You can also quote a residual lease or balloon payment to lower the payment. By using this technique, you will protect your margin. In the example above, the salesman actually increased his profit. Another common objection involves personal guarantees. Generally speaking, the owners of small and closely held businesses are the business. So equipment finance companies require the personal guarantee of the principal owner to lend to these customers. From time to time, customers object to the personal guarantee. Univest Capital provides a few tips to deal with this objection.
Mr. Big, I'm here to pick up the financing documents and finalize your order for the copier.
I'm not comfortable with the personal guarantee. I don't want to sign it.
What do you do? Tell the customer he doesn't have to sign the personal guarantee? This is the worst possible response. The odds of the personal guarantee not being required are very low. Call the finance company to have the personal guarantee waived. Again, the odds for success in waiving the guarantee are very low. Explain the need for the personal guarantee, isolate the objection, and win the sale.
I understand, Mr. Big. However, you are the business. Since your company is closely held, the lender based the credit decision on your personal credit history and your success in running the business. Without you, there is no business or credit approval. Other than your concern with the personal guarantee, are you happy with the equipment and the financing terms?
Yes, I look forward to the delivery of our new copier. We certainly need it.
Great. I look forward to finalizing your order. However, for the reasons that I mentioned, the lender will require your personal guarantee. You'll be happy to know that unlike banks, equipment finance companies do not report a commercial credit obligation on your personal credit report.
Okay, I still don't love the idea of signing a personal guarantee. However, I see your point. Let's get the copier ordered.
Another common objection a salesperson may face is regarding an early buy of the financing agreement. Generally speaking, a customer finances a piece of equipment so that they can pay for the equipment over time as it works for them, like they pay their employees. From time to time, customers may object to the buyout provisions of the contract. Below are a few tips on how to overcome this objection.
Hello, Mr. Big. I'm here to pick up the financing documents for the copier.
Not so fast. I have some concerns about the early buyout provisions in this contract. I may want to pay off this contract early.
What do? You thought this sale was done. Tell the customer not to worry about it? No one ever buys these contracts out early? This is a poor and uninformed response. Customers do pay off contracts early all the time. By giving the customer this advice, it may damage your company's brand and your personal reputation. Tell the customer the buyout provision is like a bank loan. This response is misleading since the accounting rules for loans and equipment finance agreements are different. In coordination with the finance company, either programmatically or transactionally, offer a discount on the early buyout. There are various types of early buyout calculations. It is very important to have the early payoff language in writing.
Mr. Big, I'm glad that you mentioned this. As part of our finance program, our finance partner offers a discount for an early payoff. It's part of our program agreement with the finance company. However, I can't provide a discounted buyout letter.
This sounds great. I was concerned about that. Let's work on the delivery details.
So now that we have some tools to overcome objections in the sales process, and we know some ways that Univest Capital can work with you to close more deals by offering flexible financing terms, we can even offer 100% financing for your customers. If this sounds like a good way to help you increase sales, then sign up to become one of our vendor partners. We have a hands-on approach that we think you will find refreshing. You will be our partner, not a number or percentage. You can become a vendor partner by signing up at the link below.